you compensate later.
Oh, I see.
But if
They're just gonna show up at our door now.
Isn't there nothing you don't like?
No, there's nothing. Just run, they keep calling.
try this.
Pull it in for sure.
How are you doing? What's your name? Are you able to show a little bit?
It's a full beard.
Good. Good. You're in the hospital, you know, it's late at night. Are you okay? Are you okay? We heard you fell from the bed and you hit your head. What's your name? Are you able to walk? Let me just see if you can walk a little bit. Can you walk to your dad or your mom? Okay, that's good.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so he's tired, obviously, but, you know, he's been a good, you know, 7, 8 hours almost. And he hasn't been vomiting, he's able to walk. I'm sure he's a little sleepy, but, you know, not no junk, you know, try scan or just kind of let him go and have him come back and eat about 4 symptoms. I think with the way he's acting, it's really painful, and just need to call in command with alert and everything. I think he can go with some precautions and not have to get a CAT scan every time I need it. I see him injured like this all the time. I've never seen him with a CAT scan showing anything. So I think unless you really want me to do it.
Long arm and a shooting top in one guy. He looks so
Yeah, so it's a good thing you wait, because then by that time, I'm gonna buy one you to do something like that, which is radiation that needed. So I can have you get some instructions on head injury kids, and have, you know, come back if in the morning is that actually where I have. But get not all meetings, and cocaine, you can take like 7 ml, 6.5, 7 ml.
Yeah.
Okay, so you need to get some instructions on what's going on. So wake up for another.
How's it going?
That is 12 months.
We were responding to the radio 3 times, you guys didn't respond back. What do you, we were responding to the radio. Yeah, so that's 3, nobody answered that.
Okay, okay, I know, sorry.
So, sorry, sir, I'm just. Did you have an original injury 2 weeks ago when the pain started, or you did playing basketball too?
She got a southeast, you know,
You should be. I don't know where you're next, but you're getting there.
Was I third, is third the one?